Hello everyone, Ceri the Crafter here, that's C-E-R-I the Crafter, and I'm here with a little, let's say it's a results really. It's basically, I've received these. Now, I'm a member of a Facebook group called Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists Group. It's run by PM Artist Studio and they do monthly swaps. Sometimes they do swaps randomly. And last month being November, we did an autumnal or autumn themed postcard swap. And I sent my postcards out and these arrived. That arrived yesterday, that arrived today. There's one more to arrive, but with our British postal system, you never know where it's going to arrive. So I'm excited. I haven't opened these up yet. I want to open them on screen. This one's from Nancy Gray. Nancy, it arrived. And I want to say this from Rhonda. Rhonda Donor. I'm just going to say donor because I'm not 100% certain. So I'm excited because I don't know what's in these. Well, I do know what's in them. They're the postcards and themes. So I'm just going to do it. So I thought I'd open them with you on screen because I think I like to share my first reactions and I'd like to share this make with you. So let's just see if I can do this. I'm sure there's an easy way to do this. Hopefully I'm not snipping through anything in the envelope because goodness knows I've done that before now. Yes, I do have a letter opener, but do I remember to bring it up with me? That would be possibly a no. Oh, thank goodness I stopped cutting. There's a bit of fabric. So I don't think there's anything in here I need to worry about. Right, envelope fine. I'll always recycle bits of brown envelope. You never know where that will show up in the future. Right, let me just have a quick little look, see if there's any notes or things I need to see. No, I'm fine. I just didn't want to share addresses or anything. Okay, little tag pocket, which is wonderful. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Oh, open this up. Merry Christmas. Rhonda, that's sweet. I like that. What have you done this with? Looks like you've stamped and then coloured into that. That's cute. I like that. This can go into my journal. I have a journal where I put stuff in and this would be perfect. I can put in here and it can be my memory of swaps. This, however, is gobsmackingly gorgeous. Waco, Texas. I didn't know you were in Waco. I love this. I wish you could feel this. It's got a texture to it. I'm assuming, and I know one should never assume, I'm assuming this is gel printed tissue that's been stuck onto a postcard, and then this is a separate piece. I would imagine this looks like it's been stenciled and then cut out and then embellished further. I love that. That'll go into my postcard collection. Where is my postcard collection? One postcard collection. Actually, I won't fuss around with that now. It's knowing it's going in the collection, Nancy. Or is it Rhonda? It's Nancy. It's Nancy, isn't it? Is this Nancy? I'm getting all... Yes, this is Nancy. Nancy, it'll go into my collection. I love keeping it. And that's beautiful. I love the colour scheme. Look, I need to photograph these too, I remembered. I need to photograph these as well for the Facebook group as well. I love those. Thank you very much. That's so special. Okay, this is from Rhonda. Rhonda, how do I open this? How do I get into this? I can be challenged by packaging. I think quite a lot of us can nowadays. So, I wonder whether this is one of those Tyvek envelopes I hear Gail Augustinelli talking about. It certainly feels tough enough. I'm just cautious of snipping with the scissors because I know there may be fabric things in here, and the last thing I want to do is cut someone's artwork to pieces, because that would be embarrassing, especially as you're all watching me do this. So I'm feeling with my thumb. I think it's wrapped in tissue, so therefore it's possibly safe. Yes, it is. Right, let's get rid of packaging. Anything else that I need to know about that packaging? Ooh, bubble wrap on the inside. You know me and bubble wrap. Okay, nicely packed. Thank you, Rhonda. Loving this. I love that little sticker. I think it's a washi sticker. So let's do a little bit of a snip because I'll recycle the tissue paper, I can assure you. So a quick look under here to see if there's anything with addresses on. It doesn't look as if there is. I think we're safe to look. What's that hanging around in there? Yep, I think we're safe. Right, let's pull this out. that will go into the bit for jelly printing. I'm hoping to make a video jelly printing next. I'll use that for that. Okay, what have we got here? A little handmade envelope, obviously gel printed. Ooh, goodies in them. Thank you. Fabulous, loving that. Ooh, all little bits of secret stuff. What's this? Chamomile tea. I like chamomile tea. And it actually works for me too. What's this? Bit of a mystery. Okay, a little bit of a paper clip. Am I supposed to open this? I think I am. Right, a little bit of washi tape sealing it. Hope I'm doing this right, Rhonda. Oh, liking that. I'll use it on the end of my tags. That's cute. Loving that. Right, let's see if I can. Am I going to be able to fold it back up again? Let's use the paper clip to close it. Thank you for that. Could always use stuff for the tops of tags. Oh, look at that. How is that done, Rhonda? That looks like gold leaf. I wonder whether it's a candy wrapper or something. That's beautiful. I don't want to show the address. I think that's just... Ooh, if you could feel this feels absolutely fabulous. Rhonda, that's spectacular. Thank you. And someone embossing. Loving that. I mean, heat embossing, I would say that is, for the feels of it. That is glorious. Recipes for spiked eggnog. I'm willing to try that any day. Okay. Mr. Zeus. I like Mr. Zeus. I wasn't really brought up with Mr. Zeus books. However, I like the Mr. Zeus movies that have come out. I like them. I like that. That's lovely. Is that wallpaper? That feels like vintage wallpaper. Loving that anyway. That's gorgeous. Ooh. I don't know whether you can see. I can see a pattern in here. Okay, loving that. Ooh, someone's been up to work printing, haven't they? Loving that also. Thank you very much, Rhonda. I love this postcard. These two, I think I've lucked out. Those are fabulous postcards. Ooh, lovely. Anyway, as I was going to say, Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists Group is a group that's run by PM Artist Studio on Facebook. If you find the group, you'll just need to answer two really simple questions to get into the group. And the group is one of those groups, it's an amazing group. It's full of people who are loving, supportive. There's a vast amount of knowledge within the group from a vast amount of different genres, age groups, uses of different mediums, and it's a very supporting and loving group, and it's a great community. Go over and see it, guys. Go onto Facebook, put in Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists, and it should come up. I've tried to put the link in the past. I'm not successful about putting the link in. If anyone who watches this video is successful and can share the link, put the link into the comments, will you, for other people, because I can't do it. Every time I do it, it just never works. I don't know whether it's a geographical thing or whether it's me being not very good with technology. So, okay, thank you very much, guys. When the third one arrives, I will make a really quick little video to share that. But Nancy and Rhonda, those are absolutely fabulous, and they're just going straight into the album. I need to photograph them for the Facebook group, but those are fabulous. Thank you so much. And I think it just leaves me to say goodbye, and I'll see you all on the next swap, guys. So I'm Ceri the Crafter, that's Ceri the Crafter. Until next time, bye-bye now.